Do you dream of achieving financial freedom? Do you want to be able to work when you want, where you want, and for how long you want? If so, you need to know the habits of rich and successful people. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 habits that you can start following today to set yourself up for financial freedom. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. Stay calm and focused. According to financial planner and author Tom Corley, one of the keys to becoming rich is keeping your emotions in check. Corley believes that when you let your emotions get the better of you, you are essentially shutting down half of your brain. This can be especially harmful when you're facing setbacks, as it prevents you from thinking clearly and coming up with solutions. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos on wealth creation tips. 2. Devise and stick to goals. Edan Shpazir, who turned $3,000 into a $27 million business, advises that creating a plan and sticking to it is essential to becoming wealthy. He believes that focusing on goals is the key difference between survival and success. If you're someone who tends to fly by the seat of your pants, it's time to change your ways and learn from self-made millionaires like Shpazir. 3. Use a daily to-do list to stay on track. In his book Rich Habits, Tom Corley discovered that making daily to-do lists is a habit of the wealthy. In fact, his research found that 81% of the wealthy keep to-do lists, compared to only 19% of poor people. Successful people are goal-oriented, Corley wrote. They create goals all the time. Daily goals are represented in their daily to-do lists. If you want to start doing things like the wealthy, Corley advises compiling a daily goal or to-do list with only those items that have a realistic chance of being completed. Prioritize the list and set specific times to tackle each item. At the end of the day, evaluate your to-do list to hold yourself accountable. 4. Don't watch TV. According to Tom Corley's findings, published on his Rich Habits website, most wealthy people don't watch a lot of TV. Specifically, 67% of wealthy people watch less than 1 hour of TV per day, compared to 77% of poor people who spend more than an hour in front of the TV each day. Corley's findings also show that only 9% of wealthy people watch reality shows, compared to 78% of poor people. This suggests that limiting your daily TV time and being mindful of the shows you watch may be a helpful step towards becoming wealthy. 5. Network. Networking is one of the most important secrets to success for millionaires. According to Tom Corley's Rich Habits blog, 79% of wealthy people network for at least 5 hours per month, compared to only 16% of poor people. To expand your professional network, start by tapping into your existing network. This could include reaching out to old college classmates or professors, connecting with colleagues at your current job, or even asking friends and family members to introduce you to people who might be valuable contacts. Networking regularly is crucial, as it is a great way to learn from successful people and get valuable advice. 6. Make learning a priority. Becoming a millionaire is not something that comes naturally, even for most wealthy people. Self-made millionaires learn how to get rich from scratch by constantly stimulating their minds. According to Tom Corley, rich people have a thirst for knowledge. His research found that 63% of wealthy people listen to audiobooks on their way to work, compared to only 5% of poor people. If you want to join the ranks of the wealthy, make learning a priority in your free time. There are many free audiobooks available on websites like Thought Audio and Open Culture. 7. Invest. It may seem obvious to invest, but many people don't. Rich people understand the importance of getting a return on their investments, so they invest in things like stocks and bonds. Your portfolio may not look like the richest person in the world, but investing even a small amount today can make a big difference in your net worth in the future. 8. Schedule time for yourself. Brendan Burchard, a New York Times best-selling author who has been photographed with highly successful people like Arianna Huffington, Bill Gates, Richard Branson, and Tony Robbins, recommends scheduling time for yourself. Create scheduled blocks of time where you do only one thing, he wrote on his website. Use that block of time to move your life forward, to create art, to strategize, to work diligently on one important activity. If you don't have blocks of time already set up in today's calendar to do things that matter, you're already losing ground. This is one of the things that wealthy people do, so apply it to your own life to improve your focus. 9. Exercise. Once you start exercising regularly, the hardest part is stopping. Exercise stimulates your mind, body, and soul, making you more efficient and ready to take on the day. Successful people are known for being early risers who swear by a good workout before their day begins. For example, Apple CEO Tim Cook wakes up at 3:45 a.m. to exercise, and self-made billionaire Richard Branson works out at 5 a.m. 10. Read. The quote, "Today a reader, tomorrow a leader," may just seem like another inspirational message to you, but it has become a reality for many millionaires. Many famous billionaires are voracious readers, including Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, and Charlie Munger. These habits are not easy, but they are effective. If you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. It takes time, effort, and discipline. But if you're willing to stick with it, you can achieve your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start following the habits of rich and successful people today. If you liked this video, don't forget to watch part 2. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.